Well, don't just sit there. Come on. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what my wife got me for Christmas. She claims that I have all the drones already, so I don't need any drones. And then she always says that I bitch about when it's windy outside or whenever there's a TFR and I can't fly. So she even left a price tag on. Damn. Well, thank you, honey. 400 bucks. Plus it came with these, like a kit with some batteries that are supposed to be popping. Damn. Nice, a little cheeky, plasticky feeling, but hey, we've been using the pin style thing, so, oh wow, not bad. What's going on in front? Okay, nice. It looks like it's ready to run. Drop them in, I guess. I'm guessing there's no firmware updating. Slide this on. Let's push this blue button, see, oh, that was easy. Is that it? Does it steer? Oh man, that's the easiest thing I've set up in a long while. That under there you go. Turn the lock. Let's see, yeah, it holds. All right, maiden drive. Whoa, this thing's got some power. Whoa, whoa, maiden drive. Uh-oh. Damn. Should I just stick to drones? Hey, honey, if you're watching this video, I love you, okay? This has nothing to do with you. I'm not good with this stuff. Let's see what this thing can do. First drive, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Looks like it's been through the war. Looks like it's been to hell. Oh my gosh. Well, they say it's made for this, no? Rustler? Damn. Damn. Bottom looks good, just a little wet and runny. I know you can't fly and drive at the same time, right? Oh. So I'm gonna give the control over to my buddy over here, Step, and I'm gonna be the one flying the air too. Let's drop this bad boy into sports mode. I'm hanging with you, Step. I'm hanging with you. I'm hanging to you. Whoa! What the hell? What was that? I lost video. I hit something hit. What the hell? Damn, I've never really crashed a drone before. I know I hit something. It's got to be this pole. This entire area over here. Damn. Oh, shit. No. Damn. Shit. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Is that the freaking... Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Is that the freaking camera? Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, no, this can't be good. Oh, this cannot be good. Damn, I hope the footage is... I hope I didn't lose the footage because the zoom was on. I couldn't really tell where I was. And to be honest, I didn't care where I was. I just wanted the shot. And I knew I was low and there's nobody in the park. So what's the worst that could happen? Yeah, well, that's the worst that could happen. Of all the things, well, I couldn't break an arm or anything. The arm looked perfect. I mean, the arms look good. I didn't even break a prop. Not even a prop. It's like I smashed straight into something with the camera. Like I went camera first, head first. Wow. Anyway, I'm sad, but I also have DJI refresh, so it's not going to be a big deal. It's not going to cost much to repair either. The actual inconvenience is the time that it takes to get to DJI and to get back to me. That's the major inconvenience. So DJI, if you're watching this, can you just put like an express tab on it? I need to make Air 2 videos, and I just heard there was an update that came out. I was going to test that today too. Oh well, it is what it is. I'll keep you guys posted, but I'm definitely going to be using my refresh on this. The good news is this little bad boy is fine. He took a little beating, but you know. Whoa! Woo! What the hell? Is this still running? That's just the wind, guys. That's how bad the wind is right now. And if you guys like this kind of content, you're interested in RC stuff as well, I'm an old RC guy, can definitely make some tutorial videos for you. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys whenever I can. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.